Lekyang Tor, Remake the Achiwikamata Baoping. Tevali All Tangkhul Medicals Association the Kalem Aina Medical Camp Rungni Haira. ADC election Rakara Pietatra Hali Sara Chihira. Board exam result Kamatali MLA Lesio Kashing the Saman Mira Chihira. Notumba Ari the Tangkhul Express Wipao Young the Cleaner. Achu Wipao Ringphawon Zimik Iwe Nanang Rumsa. All Tangkhul Medicals Association ATMA na Ayat Tevali Kalem Aina Medical Camp Rungni Haira. ATMA with President Dr. Sping Kala Awi team mi Makada Panga Shukana Tevawe Kakananka Gazami Shakani Shukale Matalak Aina Yang Mihaira Chia. Camp Chile Arila Kalem Aina Kachunka Yaw Mihairo. Sinapati District Teva Kule Shokarna Mik Mazam Misalala Tangkhul Nauna the Medicals Association China Kalem Aina Medical Camp Room Kami Wivang Minshilaka the Teva Baptist Church with Assist Pastor Godwinson H. Louina Pongshoka. All Tangkhul Medicals Association with Team Lead Teva Baptist Church Ku Kala Lon Maupingwi Matun Aina Pastor Jina Ningyang Kong Ningashi Pongshoka. ADC ULB Banjayat elections Pitatra Hali Sahara the Cabinet Vitak Tahira. Autonomous District Council Urban Local Body Kala Banjayat elections Moron Savahara Kachihi Aya Chief Minister's Office League Zita Vitak Kukwina. Cabinet meeting Agriculture Minister TH Biswajit Nakahang ADC Aina ULB elections he COVID Mimau Wivang Aina Masonra Kahaina. Banjayat we Pungru Angaritva Ajuwi P Kachangle Umshunki Kachina. Ituna Tepai ADC election Kanawa 2015 Kum Salaga Chiwitingum Angarit 2020 Li Pei Kahaina. Kerchi Kachang Turuk Wivang Kasei Sang Milida Chila Pei Hauda Makasei Sang Lipai Mara election Saplungra Kachi at Samna Tanda Porada Kalena. Minister TH Biswajit Nakahang Shorgana Financial Assistance Schemes Mida Kalesho Psycho Relay Aadhaar Link Magasa Masabai Manakachi Cabinet na Titak Tahira. Manipur Town Aina Country Planning Act 1975 5th Amendment Chilila Kangache Kwiraro VDF Personnel Reservice Period 2023 Mayo Kachang Aina Tanda Kase Sangra Kala Underground Outfits Gutters Surrender Sakahai Katumli Shorgawi Departments Le Sangra Kachila Hanga 43 Puyer Assembly Constituency Le Ajiwe Boston Class 10 Aina Class 12 Result Mathame Cup Kachili MLA Lesio Keshina Saman Mira Chihira. Exam with toppers Kare Kakane Kala Kakatuma Kala Subject toppers Ping Li Saman Jimiki Kuchina the Hanga. Best Performing School with Saman Leira Hamda Kalehi 43 Puyer ACW Worshim Kala Katamnao Ping we Mangli Kahangna. Puyer Town later we Kasak Later Kale Paning Mida Class 10 exam Katana Pingli Aya Laushing Katamnao Longna Turu Yaumi Haira. Board of Secondary Education Manipuri Class 10 exam Sada Kalehi Puyer Headquarter Rila Sender Tada Kalena. Laushing na Puyer Headquarter Ri Konai Akasada exam Tada Kalei Katamnao Ping Chili Majon Kamina the Hanga. Pau Kate Manganarang Laka Kushunaka Break Quisa. Manipuri Chief Minister's Scheme for Menstrual Hygiene Hapokara the Cabinet na Tutak Tahira. Aya Cabinet Gazibli State we Kashog Zangmaram Natay the Nasanda Morelli International Cancer Hospital Semkara Kachila Tahira. Jandal Tamenglong Kala Chiribumli District Transport Office Ababa Semira Kachila Tahira. Kuman Nambagli Kalay ISPT la Mathameda Semhara Public Private partnership mode aina high higher chia Sarkarna katamau Tangkhul shapangale IT training aina employment opportunity la mira da leidalai training je HC Tech billing shigda rumiki kachina Manipur Information Technology Policy 2022 kala ITS EZ 2022 Policy 2022 la introduce sahara Rani Kaidin Lu Nupi Singh Scheme Chief Minister's Meritorious Students E-Support Scheme Manipur Electric Mobility Policy 2022 Manipur Integrated Logistics Policy 2022 Transfer and Posting Policy Hikathala Hapokhaura Sarkar Office Kachida Biometric Attendance Compulsory Haira Kachila Tahaira PMGSY Kala MGNRGS La Mathaming Sakhaura Kachihi Hanga Manipur War on Drugs 2.0 with Otmarut Sada Infal West CDO with Team Akana Nisha Ari Arai Koyor now Kani to Kuhaira Kani Jili Ajon Thangazin Thangmaiban Wathem Leragli to Kukwina Nisha Ri Lay Sakasa Kaniji Akana Muhammad Muzamin Hussein Kala Akabana Muhammad Amir Khan Hoya Ani Kanina Pumzat Kasa Heroin powder, mobile phones kani, two-wheeler aka kala lupa thinga shabatum hum chishat police na kwimi hawa. Chura jambu wagla nishari pungzat kasa kani li police na tukwi haira. Kani jina heroin powder keji aka langda soft cases li pungzat saya. Nishaji Myanmar we aina pungushok na maramji rurkari furtherly the hanga. Aya Earth Day mayonda Chiribum Friendly Environment Warriors and Chiribum Forest Division Tingrong Kaling Rani Akakwika Hair. Rani ji invest in our planet Kachihina Tikui Sada Banjel Playground and BOC Babu Barakala Chiribum ni Tingrong Anau Lingsang Haira. Chiribum Deputy Commissioner W. Malem Nganba Jinglena Tanda Tingrong Kaling Rani Chili DFO Rajesh Darde IFS SDBO Chamna Anal JDO President S. Satananda Mitei MSF District Committee with President A. Ratan Singh Club Bajol Club Aina Friendly Environmental Warriors with members Pingla Wazanga Chiribo with DCW Malem Namba Chinglena Kamatwili Itumi Environment Conserve Kasani Kokasap Lungra Kachihi Hanga Tingrong Pollution Swita Kami Maram Lila Hangda Chiwiram Now Pingli Tingrong Anaula Yomi Haira the Hanga District Development Coordination Club Monitoring Committee DIS HA with Maramli Senapati Aina Kangpopi Districts with Kazib DC Office Senapati Li Pamhaira DDCMC with Chairman MP Dr. Lorho S. Fozena Kazib Ji Thanda Kamutwili Kahang COVID Mimau Wang Aina Kazib Ji Mapamla Raka Haina Facilities Ngatated with Maram Banking Kala Model Village Semgaka Hikatale DLOs Pingla Otmurut Kwiki Kuchi Maram Lila Hangsanga Ayawi Kazib Chili Senapati Aina Kangpopi Districts Li DRDA Aina Shoka with Department Pingla Central Sponsor Programs Kwikami Kahai Maramle Pajite Morocca Programs Schemes Mida Klewi Kasakavat Kala Outcome Maramlila Masan Haira DIS HA Razingli Schemes Kala Programs Ping Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme Pradhan Mantri Avaj Yojana Gramin Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchay Yojana Integrated Watershed Management Program Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchay Yojana Har Khet Ko Pani PMKSY Pradhan Mantri Gram Sarak Yojana National Rural Drinking Water Program Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin National Social Assistance Program Integrated Child Development Scheme National Health Mission Samagra Shiksha Midday Meal Scheme Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program Hikatha Hizanga Kazib District Khani Jiwi MLAs Ping Senapati Aina Kangpopi with DC SDOs Ping DLOs Kala ADC with Phongvu Ping Wazanga Kashmir India Industrial Fair Aya Guwahati Le Hapokhaira Fair Chili Northeast Kala India we apam ngatate de we aina MSMEs Shamati ka da changda laichia Laghu Udyog Bharati President Purvotar Brand Manoj Lundia na kahang Fair Chi Assam Industries and Commerce Kala MSME aina ngashik da kasana India International Fair Hogupok Ramili MSME with Union Cabinet Minister Kala Assam with Chief Minister Himanda Biswa Sharma, Minister Industries and Commerce Chandra Mohan Patowari Atumlavazanga. Fair Runda Kaleji Northeast Permit Business Connectivity Wibang Multimodal Platform Kala Investments Quirakami Kala Northeast MSME Spingli Market Access Quirami Kawai Kasana the Event Manager Vivek Agarwal Nahanga. Let me see the Ajwi Kamataya Baubing. Thevali All Tangkhul Medical Association the Kalem Aina Medical Camp Rungmi Haira. ADC election Rakara Pita Rahali Sara Chihira. Board exam result Kamataya MLA Ratio Casing that Samamira Chihira. Achu Pao Henang Changhira, Pamada Claim to Psycho relate Ringphawon Ringphawon Zimik Sasaran.